Hello everyone, Grandma here. Happy Vlogmas. Today I am making no-bake chocolate cookies. This is an easy recipe with no eggs and flour. You prepare it on the stove in a saucepan. These are the ingredients you need. A half a cup of butter, half a cup of fat-free milk, half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of chocolate chips, a half a cup of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 3 cups of quick oats. To make the cookies, I'm using a 2-quart saucepan, and I'm going to put it on medium-low heat. And the first thing you have to add is a half a cup of butter, a half a cup of milk, a half a cup of sugar, and a cup of chocolate chips. I'm using the semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now I have to stir this until this is all melted. Like I said, this is an easy recipe. We're just going to make it all in this saucepan. So butter, milk, sugar, chocolate chips have all melted now. And I have to bring this to a boil and boil it for 1 minute. So you want to do this slowly though, so you don't put it on high heat and you don't want to burn the bottom. This is what takes the longest. You could see it's starting to boil now. You could see the little bubbles are starting to come up. So now we have to boil this for 1 minute. So it's been 1 minute now, and it was boiling, so now I'm gonna remove it from the heat. You have to remove this from the heat. Now we're gonna add our half a cup of peanut butter. I want to just get as much peanut butter out as I can. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And now I'm going to stir this good until the peanut butter melts. I use natural peanut butter, but the ingredients are just organic peanut butter. I don't use any Jif or Skippy or anything. We like the natural peanut butter. Now the peanut butter melted into the chocolate mixture. So now I'm adding my 3 cups of quick oats, a little at a time. And this is how simple it is to make these cookies. No baking in the oven or anything. Just all on the stove. Now I have a cookie sheet here with parchment paper. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a tablespoon of the mixture and drop it on the cookie sheet. Now, and you have to let this cool, and this becomes your cookie. And so this is how easy it is. I have 12 cookies here, and now we'll have to wait and see how long it takes for them to set. And I will continue on putting them on another cookie sheet with parchment paper. The cookies are all done, and I made 3 dozen, and they look very good to me. We'll have to see how Grandpa likes them. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. They look very chocolatey. Let's see how they taste. They're soft, have a nice chocolatey flavor to them with the oatmeal. Got a hint of peanut butter in them. They're moist, very easy to chew. They're sweet, but not overly sweet. Grandma and I like chocolate, so we will be enjoying these cookies.
We sure will, Pa. These cookies should be stored in the refrigerator.